Hello everyone, welcome once again. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make beetroot soap. So we start by washing our aloe vera, which is one of the ingredients we'll be using for making our beetroot soap. Also in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the health benefits of using beetroot soap for your skin. And after washing the aloe vera, I'll be cutting the unwanted part and set it aside. Next, I'll be bringing in the beetroot. I'll wash the beetroot in a clean water and next I'll be peeling it. And as we peel our beetroot with a kitchen knife, let me share with you some of the health benefits of using beetroot soap for your skin. Beetroot soap offers several health benefits to the skin. It can help clear blemish and acne because of its antibacterial properties, and also the vitamin C content in it can help in clearing scars and promote overall healthy skin. Beetroot soap hydrates the skin because of its natural moisturizing properties, which can help maintain skin hydration, making the skin soft and smooth. Beetroot soap can also brighten the skin tone because of its natural brightening properties. And after peeling the beetroot, I'll be cutting into blendable size. Soap also contains anti-inflammatory compound that can help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness and swelling, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Beetroot soap is rich in antioxidants because of its vitamin C content, which help protect the skin from oxidative stress and reduces signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. And after peeling and cutting the beetroot, I'll transfer into a blender. I will set aside, then bring in the aloe vera. I'll start by cutting the spines along the edges of the aloe vera leaf. And after removing the spines along the edges of the aloe vera leaf, I'll be cutting the aloe vera into blendable size. And after cutting the aloe vera into a blendable size, I also transfer into the blender. And next, I will blend the aloe vera and the beetroot until it becomes smooth. Once they are well blended, I'll transfer into a cheesecloth to squeeze out the juice from it. Beetroot soap also improves the skin elasticity, keeping the skin firm and reduces the appearance of sagging. Beetroot soap is a nourishing and skin-friendly soap. You can use beetroot soap daily as part of your skin routine to moisturize and brighten of your skin. Beetroot soap is a natural skincare product that can be beneficial for various skin types, particularly for those looking to brighten their complexion and moisturize their skin. And now that I've gotten the juice of the aloe vera and beetroot, I'll set it aside and I'll be bringing out a scale to measure out. And I'll be measuring out 80 grams of the juice. So I'll place my bowl on the digital scale and measure out about 80 grams. And after measuring out 80 grams of the aloe vera and beetroot juice, I add to it 3 capsules of vitamin E oil. To it also, I'll be adding lavender oil. So I'll be adding just a few drops of it, then stir together. And after mixing it together, I'll set it aside. And next, I'll be bringing in the glycerin-based soap base, which I'll be cutting into cubes so that it can dissolve easily. Beetroot soap is a gentle natural option for cleansing and moisturizing the skin. suitable for various skin type, including sensitive and dry skin. Regular use of beetroot soap can help improve skin texture by providing essential nutrients and promoting healthy, soft, and smooth skin. And after cutting the glycerin-based soap base into cubes, I'll transfer into a melting bowl. And next, I'll take to the stove top for double boiling. Stir at interval until the soap base dissolves completely. Once the soap base is completely dissolved, remove from the heat and next we'll begin with the production of our beetroot soap. So I'll be adding the beetroot mixture to the soap base and stir together. And once it's well mixed, I'll be pouring them into a soap mold. So I'll pour them gently into the soap mold and set aside for about 4 to 5 hours for the soap to solidify. But for quick solidification, you can also put in the refrigerator for between 1 hour and it will solidify. And after transferring them into a mold, I'll spray with alcohol spray to remove the foam on top. And this will make our soap come out very nice and beautiful. And after 4 hours, here we have our beetroot soap, which has solidified. Next, I'll be removing them from the mold. You can see that this came out very beautiful and nice, and it's so easy to make at home. And now that you have learned how to make beetroot soap at home for the moisturizing and the brightening of your skin, I guess you'll be trying this out. Please let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. And please don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones. And next we'll be putting our beetroot soap to test. As you can see from the video, as I wash my hand with the beetroot soap, it came out with a great lather. And please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. And to my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for always being there. God bless you. Wash your skin with beetroot soap with natural nutrient for that brightening smooth complexion. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. See you next time. God bless.